Alrighty guys, so I just dropped off my car. Hell yeah. I'm so excited. I'm gonna ask them if I can film while they do it. If I can't, then I'll see you guys after.
Hey, so we just got told that the car is done now, and they're pulling around the corner. Should be here any moment. Are you excited?
So excited.
Woo! I'm excited. I'm the one driving that. Alright guys, this is the finished results. Look at this. Brand new Whippy. What you think?
I'm so excited. I'm definitely gonna take care of this one. Holy cow. Oh my god, it's like, oh my god, dude, it's so exciting. Look at that. Like, where is the cracks now?
Window? What window?
Oh my god.
Looking so good.
Well, here's my birthday gift.
Early birthday gift.
Yeah, I'm so excited, guys. It looks like a brand new car now. Oh, you don't even know. I love it. I love it. Like, you cannot see anything wrong now. Like, everybody's probably like, yeah, that's what we see every day on our cars. But this is exciting. When you had a cracked windshield for so long, all you want to do is look at this.
I want to like stick my hand through. It feels like there's nothing there. It's so weird. I'm so used to having to go like, you know, looking through the cracks, and for the first time it's like, wow, so clear.
The next day.
It's currently 7 in the morning right now, and I'm gonna get to this. I'm gonna go to Walmart and purchase some goof off so I can take off this old plastic dip. Alrighty guys, this is the goof off that I got, so I'm just gonna wipe it on, wipe it off, simple. So I got these license plate ones too for the lights. I hadn't realized these are LED too. These are pretty cool. Like, I would always notice they were white, but I was like, nah, they can't be aftermarket or anything. So I have no idea if somebody recently changed them or I don't know. But I got these ones. Well, sorry about how dirty my car is, but dang, they look good. So I got this license plate thing for the front tow hook, and let's see how good it looks. Alright, so let's go ahead and remove this little tab right here. See if we can remove it with this. Damn, I'm scratching up the whole bumper. Wow, that looks good. But I put it on backwards, I guess. Oh no, let's twist this. I would like to have it a little more in. That's too far apart. Alright guys, so this is how it looks from the side. From the front it looks normal, but this is way too much. I don't know if it's supposed to look like that, but I would like it a little closer. Comment if you guys know how to make it look a little better, or I don't know, just comment what you think.